Do you have the siblings who are fighting always and never ever want to share between them, and you are finding very difficult to handle them? Then you need to watch this video. Sibling rivalry or the sibling fight is quite common. Now, how to avoid this fighting? As a parent, ensure that each of the child has its own space. All the articles and the toys of each child is protected. So whenever one child wants to take the articles of other, it needs to ask permission. Even the parents needs to ask permission with the child when you want to test their articles or the toys. The feeling of secure and protected will come to the kids when we are asking permission, and they will have the feeling that they will be heard, their feelings are heard, and their things are protected. So by making an arrangement or an understanding, we can ensure that both the kids are treated equally and each other respect their feelings and their property. Also, as a parent, we should not take sides when the kids are fighting. Some parents will always blame the elder kids. Never ever do this. This will have a long-term impact. They will assume that the parents are always loving one child and they will feel that they are rejected. Ensure that you don't take sides between the children. So you ensure that you always hear to each of the child and give a clear message that mother love is equal to both of them. So both of them are very much eligible for mother's love. There is no partiality between the mother's love. So this is the way you need to communicate to them and make them understand that each one needs to go in harmony, respecting each other's space and property. Thank you so much for watching this video.